Hey guys, Yvette here. Thank you so much for joining me. And today I want to talk to you guys about why it's so important to have your dream customer in your Facebook friends list and your LinkedIn accounts and your Instagram. So I think a lot of people think that Facebook is just for adding friends and posting and I guess reading the news apparently nowadays. But it's so much more than that. And I think a lot of people have this misconception in their heads that only they can have, they want to keep their Facebook account private. They don't want, they don't want to mix professional with business. But here's the thing. You have access to all of these people that are right in front of your face right now. They're constantly going on Facebook. I think probably more people are on Facebook than ever before. And it's the platform where everyone is already communicating on. Yes, there's a lot of other platforms out there, but the main one right now is Facebook. So how do you use it to basically use it to your advantage? Adding friends. So here's something that's really key. I use this software called Friend Filter. I'll show you, I'm going to show it in my next video, but for today's purposes, I'm just going to talk about it. And Friend Filter is a software that you can actually use and run. It's a Chrome extension. You can run it on your background or when you have your Facebook account. Now, some people might have just a few friends, which then you won't need this. But say you have thousands of friends you've added over a period of time, and they're just people you've added, whether you remember them or not, it doesn't really matter. But here's the thing. If you're using Facebook to market your business, and I really think you should, if you're not doing it, you should totally be doing it. But if you're not, this is the perfect time to start cleaning out your friends list. So the way to do that is to basically download the software. It's called Friend Filter. You can go to the Chrome store and download it. Then you just run it and it'll actually find you a list of all of your active friends, all of your inactive friends, and all of anyone that you want to white label, you can also put to these lists. So white label means that these people would not be removed, whether they're engaging with your stuff or not. Anyways, so the first thing you need to do is basically go in there, run the app, and then have it pull up all of your friends list. Then it's going to give you a list of everybody in there that is not engaging with any of your material. If you've never spoken to them, you don't know who they are, they're just on your list, delete them. They're not going to get offended. You're not going to get offended. You move on. Save that space for a potential customer. So if you're somebody brand new to organic marketing, the number one thing you need to remember is that you need to have a list of all your perfect customers. So I always wondered, I'm like, how are some people able to just to launch a new offer and they just get like a bunch of leads right off the bat? It's because that their friends list is so targeted with exactly who they're trying to market to that the minute they throw something out, everybody jumps into it and they want to get it. So if you're, for example, an insurance agent, or you're a tax attorney, or you're a real estate agent, or whatever your field may be, you need to be adding people into your ecosystem and everyone into your friends list. I mean, you can obviously keep your friends and family on there if you want. You can put them on a different list. It's up to you. But you want the majority of your friends to be your perfect customer, because every time you roll out with a new post or a new video or a new live, those people are going to see it. And those are the people that you want to be engaging with, not people that are, some random person that added you like 10 years ago that you don't even speak to. That they're just holding a spot and they're not helping you to get anywhere further in your business. So first things first, clean out your list. Second, start adding people from groups that are specifically your potential customers or your perfect customers. 3, start posting and start talking to those people. If you do all of those 3 things on a daily basis, every single time, I'm telling you, you will see results. First of all, you will also get leads, and you'll be able to do this on a daily basis. So what are you waiting for? Get in there and get started. That's what I would do. Here's the other thing I think people need to remember. Organic marketing is kind of like, if you hear the story of the tortoise and the hare. The hare is like, rabbit. It's like, I used to live in England, so I kind of say some weird words every now and then. So the rabbit was faster than the tortoise because he was like, I got plenty of time, I'm just going to rush, he took his time, he took a break, and he's like, I have plenty of time. The tortoise, on the other hand, obviously we all know the story, he took his sweet time, but he got to the end and he beat the hare because he kept going. Took him longer, but he got to the end of the race. So my point in bringing that up is that it might seem like it's taking a while. You might not get leads right away. I'm gonna be upfront with you guys. Some people will get leads instantly because they have a good friends list that's targeted to their perfect customers. Some do not. So if you don't have, like, say half of your friends list is all your friends, like real friends and your family, they might not click on anything that you post. So the way to fix that is to start adding potential customers. And you know who your people are. You know who would be perfect for your business. Start adding these people, start talking to these people, start communicating with these people. And guess what? You will see results. I promise you. And if you don't, call me up and you can yell at me and say, you know what, Yvette, your ideas and your plans did not work. And here's what I did. And we will have a conversation. We'll figure out what didn't work. But here's what I'm telling you right now. It does work. And I've done it myself. And now I do run ads. But in the beginning, I didn't have the experience or the moolah to spend on ads. So I was like, I'm going to hold off on that. And a better way to do it is to do organic marketing. And that's exactly what I recommend you guys doing, because I think you're going to really see a lot of success. And yeah, so definitely start adding those people. I think I can't say it enough. A lot of my clients think that, they put up a lead system and then it just sit there and wait for it to happen. It doesn't. That's not how organic marketing works. If you have a Facebook ad or a LinkedIn ad, or you're running ads, it's a different story, because you're actually presenting it in front of people and you're paying for that space. With organic marketing, it's like you have it, but you're trying to slowly bring those people into your ecosystem and slowly start talking to those people. So before that happens, you still have to create your funnel. You got to create all of those other pieces of that lead system and then start posting. Posting is literally like a way of saying, this is how you get eyes to your offer, to your business, to your services, to whatever it is you're trying to sell. So in conclusion, for today, I want you guys to go out there and start adding people on LinkedIn, on Facebook, on Instagram, anybody that you know would be interested in your services and offers. Then, as you do that, remove people that do not respond, do not engage, and are not your perfect customer. So you make space for those people that you do want. And then once you start seeing that, guarantee you'll start seeing some leads right away. So hopefully that helps you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Please subscribe if you like the videos. Leave me a comment. Smash the hashtag. What else? Hit the notification bell. All the things that they say to you. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you later. Bye.